Okay, now we're going to be painting the rind of the watermelon. So we have two greens here. We want to use the darker green on the outside and then the lighter green on the inside of the rind. So I'm just taking the darker green and putting it on my plate. And then I'm using a medium round brush to paint the edges of the watermelon. Just keep in mind you want to stay on the tip of your brush, and that will give you a nice line. You just want to fill in that section with the darker green. Now you want to wash your brush and go into the grasshopper green, and then we're just doing that intersection of the rind. I am using my medium round brush for this. Make sure you paint the edges. Now we're moving on to the tablecloth. I'm using my medium round brush and I'm just dipping it into red, and I'm just guessing where the lines go. If you would like to draw your lines on and measure them, that's up to you, but I just like to wing it. So I'm just painting in some checkers. I just used my medium round brush to do the horizontal stripes, and then I took my 1-inch flat brush and I just did some stripes coming down to finish up the tablecloth.